everyone, welcome back to another quarantine quick tip. If you missed my previous tips, please just go ahead and click on the iCard up there and it'll take you to those videos so you can catch up. All right, now I know we talked about dishes yesterday and I thought today we'd talk Tupperware. Do they make Tupperware anymore? I think they do. And that is an awesome product. But any of these little plastic containers that you use to pack your lunches in, they are often a source of a lot of anxiety and a lot of frustration with people, mainly because the lids seem to vanish, kind of like the socks in a dryer. So what I want to talk about is a very fast way to get your Tupperware in order or your snackware in order. All right, now just like with our dish tip, the first thing I always tell people is to clear it all out. Take everything out, set it either on top of your island or on a nearby table so you can start with a clean slate. Then the next thing you want to do is wipe down the cabinet shelf so that you have a nice clean surface to start over with. Third, you want to sort through all the Tupperware you have, okay, and match it up with lids. You should have the same amount of lids that you do bottoms. Once you've matched them up, then you want to decide which ones you really truly use. And if we're honest with ourselves, we will realize that there are certain things that really don't belong. They might have served us at one point, but now our circumstances have changed and we don't use them anymore. Let them go. Don't let them back in the drawer. Once you've sorted through everything and everything has a lid, then start reloading things back. There are many products out there that can help you keep your lids organized. There are also some organizing hacks, one of which I recently did on how a simple slinky can help keep these lids neat and organized. Links in the iCard up there. This one that I used in my drawer is from YouCopia. I think that's how you pronounce their name. I actually love their stuff because their products often offer you a lot of versatility. Like this one came with 5 of these little dividers and they had slats in the side so you could decide if you wanted a real deep section or a very narrow section. Gives you the versatility to customize it to your needs. I'll leave the link in the description box below, along with a few other items that I think would really help you get your Tupperware or snackware organized. Okay, I hope this tip helped. If it did, please give me a big old thumbs up, poke that like button below. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Please be sure to click the subscribe button as well and ring that bell so you know when I'm uploading a new video. I'm Pam with Organizer EZ 911. Check back tomorrow for my next quarantine quick tip.